Hi, I'm Leon Papkoff, CEO of Design Reactor. I'm here with Mitch McCoy, our Vice President of Strategic Accounts. Today, he's walking me through this great new app we just created for Lithium. It was for a big annual event they have called LiNC. Mitch, tell me about this app.
Well, first of all, the app is built on multiple OS platforms. So iOS, whether it's an iPad mini or an iPhone,
Okay.
the Android, the Nexus, the Android phones, it works across all of those. So that's one of the fantastic features about it. Very important to me,
It's
right?
beautiful. I love it. Yeah.
Second of all, branding is really important. So when you develop an app like this, you want to make sure that your brand is matching the company's brand and style. That's a very important part of developing an app for this. And that it matches the event branding.
That's right. Now, just so everyone knows, I'm actually syncing my iPhone here directly to this digital signage screen. So everything I do on the iPhone as we walk through this, you'll see it synchronized directly in front of us here. It allows us to kind of do a demo here. It's a little bit easier to do that. So Mitch, why don't you give us a high-level summary of what we got here, and we'll do a deep dive or two here.
Sounds great. So let's just cover the menu on the home page. This is the home page. You have a program guide, standard for any event. You have maps, so people know how to get around at the event.
Right.
You have your daily buzz. That's all the social activity, people uploading videos, uploading photos, that kind of thing.
Do you have and LinkedIn and Twitter and all that's in there?
All
as
that's
well?
in there.
That's
Facebook,
great.
YouTube, Twitter, Vimeo, all that good stuff. Flickr.
That's great.
Here you have an area for your sponsors. So if you want sponsors in your app and they're paying money to do sponsorships, room for that. You've got surveys and polls attached to every session. I love this. So every session people take, you can get audience feedback for each of those through your mobile app.
That's great.
And you have Lithies. This is the Lithies awards that they do for the event. It's a specific piece for the event. Videos, so all the videos that they're taping here, we upload them immediately after the event, and within a few hours people can watch the event that they attended or didn't attend right afterwards. And then here's the Lithosphere. This is a Lithium community.
Right.
It's their own software and environment, and we bring that into the app.
It's integrated directly into the app. That's beautiful. Great. Well, do you want to do a deep dive on the program guide?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click into there.
So here we are in program guide. And again, just quickly, you'll see a back button here. You'll see the page or the section that you're in program guide and the name of the event. This event name functions as a home button, so you can go back to the home page anytime.
Great.
We list the program guide by day and by session.
Okay.
And then once you're in the by day, here's the dates, the 23rd, the 24th, and down below is the 25th.
Okay, great.
So you see the time in chronological order for each event. You see the name of the event or the session. And then, you just click on the name or the arrow to go right into the session.
Okay. Well, I'll go into this one here.
Great. So what you're seeing is the name of the session, the speaker, Katie, the day and time and date. You see the grand ballroom and the mezzanine level. That's where it's located. If you want information about the person speaking, you could click on the bio.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Right? So here's information on Katie.
That's
but
great.
A nice little treat. Keep scrolling down.
Okay.
You'll see related sessions. Other breakout sessions that she's participating in are all listed right here. And if you were to click on one of those, you could go directly into
I like that a lot. So if you really like the speaker, you maybe just attended her session and you want to see her again, that's an excellent feature. I love that. Okay, great.
Agree.
Let me go back.
Go back button.
Oops. There we go.
So continuing on here, now this is kind of neat. This is a really special part here. You've got presentation and you've got videos. So this is the presentation that Katie's actually using at the event in the breakout session.
Okay.
It's her PowerPoint presentation.
Let me, can I click on that?
You can.
Okay.
And what happens is you're brought to a mobile page where you can then download this presentation. Now the cool thing is, you don't see those icons for the video or the presentation until they want you to see it.
Oh, great.
So for example,
this is after her session.
That's right.
Okay.
So
great.
once she's done speaking, they make that icon present and people can download it, but they don't want people going through the presentation before the event.
I got you. And so these are absolute real-time updates that we're doing as the event is occurring.
Right. That's right.
Great. I love it. And so the whole presentation is viewable for someone on a mobile device even after the event itself.
It's a wonderful way to deliver content and when you want it to be delivered as well.
Right. And I'm assuming the video does the same thing, so if we wanted to watch the video of her presenting, you can do that?
In this particular case, they videotaped her session And then after that was done, we uploaded it and then made it available via the app so you can go back and watch that presentation again.
Oh, that's great.
And this here is something that we optimize for desktop. This is a URL to all content, whether it's a PDF or a video for all the sessions. You can go on a desktop now, not just in the app. You can go on a desktop.
Oh, that makes it
get all
real
the
easy.
information.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, great.
And one last little piece.
Yep.
For all content, by the way, we did a thing where you have to have a PIN number and an email address to verify that you were an attendee at the event.
Oh, okay.
So they can restrict the content or not restrict the content.
Okay, great, great. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Now down below, I noticed we have some icons here. This is, I'm assuming, a survey?
That's
Yeah,
right.
great.
Very nice.
Excellent. For that particular session.
That's correct.
Okay, and then we also have I've already added this item to my program guide.
Exactly. Foolproof. So this is a self-select menu. So basically you select what you want to attend and it has reminders for you, but if you've already booked it, it'll tell you that. You can also replace it and do other things.
Okay.
Really nice functionality.
That's great. And the last item here is, if I can click on it, it's a detailed map.
That's right. Do me a favor too, please. Why don't you click on the map drop-down menu. You can see how maps work very easy. Click on second floor, and then you can get an example of other maps, and then you can scroll down, and it gives you a key layout for what each of these rooms
nice.
are. Yeah.
Beautiful. I know that at big events when I go to, a lot of times I get lost, and it's really hard to find things. So having that all in my app itself makes it a lot easier. Also having context to the particular session makes it a lot easier as well.
Yep. Now before you click on anything, I want you to do me a favor. Click on My Agenda at the bottom.
Okay.
This My Agenda, no matter where you are in the app, it's always available. So we're in Maps right now, but you can click on My Agenda and you can see what you've self-selected for the program.
Oh, that's great. I love that.
You can delete it, you can go right to it, or you can go back to the homepage.
And then I can just back all the way out to the main menu.
Yep.
That's great.
There you go.
Well, great. Thanks a lot, Mitch. It's
My pleasure.
a wonderful app. I really appreciate it. It looks great. And thank you, everyone. Please join us again next time.